Guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today we're doing a hot oil treatment. Let's go. First thing you need is oils of your choice. It does not matter how many or what kind you use, you just need some oil. You're next going to need an applicator bottle, and then you're also going to need some warm water. Now you want to take your oils and just basically pour them into your applicator bottle. And I was having a little bit of difficulties because the little thing had came off of the oil bottle, but it doesn't matter exactly how much you put in, but I decided to add a little bit more. And here we are with this little thing getting on my nerves again. I couldn't figure it out, but I eventually did figure it out. Now I'm going with my second oil. Again, it does not matter how many oils you use whatever you prefer to use. You don't have to have a bunch of oils, but you do need oil. Some people do use more oils, which is fine, but personally I don't use these two. Now we're going to put the top back on, and then we're going to take it and we're going to set it inside of our warm water. And it does not matter for how long you sit it in the water either, but I personally set mine for about 5 minutes and it's very hot. So we're just going to let that sit in there for about 5 minutes. Voila! Now here I am getting ready to apply the hot oil treatment. If you guys see that blue color in my hair, that was from some temporary hair color that I tried out earlier. I actually didn't wash it all out. Some of it's still in there, so if that is what you're seeing. So it kind of looks yucky. I am going to go back and try and get the rest of it out, but anyways, here's the hot oil treatment, and you just want to take it and apply it to your scalp and your locks. And boy, doesn't that feel really, really good. The hot, warm oil touching that scalp, baby, it feels so amazing. And as you can tell, some of my locks are a bit dry, so this is why I opted to do a hot oil treatment. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of it. I'm going to stop talking now, and thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, leave some nice comments down below, and subscribe to my channel for more. And I will see you on the next video. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this.